Some great news. I'm giving away a prize valued at $369. That's right. $369 is the value of the prize that I'm going to be giving away today. This prize, valued at $369, consists of student guides, consists of lab guides, consists of exam simulation software. In other words, quiz software that helps you prepare for the exam. But it also consists of network simulation software. You're going to get the whole package here that'll help you self-study and get ready to pass both your ICND1 or CCNA exam as well as your ICND2 exam to get your CCNA certification. I would suggest that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and that you click on the bell to get notifications. I'm going to be giving away a lot of prizes in the upcoming months. Some of those prizes will be for the first few people that, for instance, put a comment below a video or who complete something. So if you haven't enabled notifications, you may miss out on the prizes. Now, obviously, if you don't want to do that, that's fine. But be aware that some prizes will require you to react very quickly. So if you don't get notifications, you may miss out on the prizes. This is a prize from one of my favorite companies, Boson Software. You'll get access to ICND1 curriculum to help you prepare for your CCNA or CCNA exam. You'll also get access to the ICND2 curriculum. This is essentially course material, so you don't have to buy course material. This is course material written by Boson. So as an example, here's spanning tree. In this course material, they explain the spanning tree protocol to you, explain how it works. So this is course material, once again, written by Boson. You get access to both ICND1 as well as ICND2 course material. But as they say, that's not all. You also get access to lab guides for both ICND1 and ICND2. These are detailed written lab guides from Boson. So as an example, here's ICND1. This is a RIP configuration lab. They show you the setup of the topology in the simulator. And then they show you how to configure RIP through this detailed lab guide. But that's not all. You also get access to the XSim Max software for both ICND1 and ICND2. This is my recommended exam simulation software. So you're going to get exam simulation software for both ICND1 as well as ICND2. Here, for example, is the XSim Max exam software for ICND2. You can select individual exams, you can do a custom exam or random exam, you can do it in study mode or simulation mode. I'm going to start it in study mode. And notice here as an example is what I'd call a simple question. So you connect a new unconfigured switch to an existing switch's fast Ethernet 01 interface. The interface was previously connected to an end user's workstation. You notice that the fast Ethernet 01 interface on the existing switch enters the error disabled state. So why is that? Various options are displayed. You need to select two. What I really like about the Boson software is they show you the correct answer and then give you a detailed explanation of why it's right or wrong. So you're not just learning questions without understanding what you're doing. You're actually learning the reasons why something is true or not true. You don't just want to memorize the answers to questions. You want to understand what you're doing so that you can be prepared for the exam, but also for the real world. Notice as an example here, if you want more detail, you can have a look in their course material. So if I go once again to the ICND2 course material, they say module 5, here it is, spanning tree, and then I can read up about spanning tree and understand why a port is error disabled as an example. So port states, timers, detailed information is shown in this, what I would call a student guide. But wait, as they say on television, there's more. You also get the courseware lab pack and NetSim software for both ICND1 and ICND2. So in other words, you don't just get the exam simulation software, you also get the NetSim software, which will allow you to practice using the Boson network simulator. This is fantastic. You get proper lab guides, so detailed lab guides as shown here. You get a simulation. So as an example, if I type enable, I go to privilege mode, question mark works, conf tab works, terminal works, end works. This is proper simulation software. A whole bunch of labs are available. So as an example, there are a whole bunch of ICND1 labs. There are a whole bunch of ICND2 labs that you'll get access to. Now, the version that I'm using here includes CCNP labs as well. But as part of this prize, you'll get the ICND1 and ICND2 lab guides. Many, many labs are available in the software. As an example, here's some extended access lists. You can save your labs if you want to. I'm not going to do that. But once again, I can access my lab topology and access various devices. So here's router 1. Here's router 2. I can configure routers. I can configure switches. I essentially need to complete detailed labs using the NetSim software. So fantastic software. Now, if you want to win this prize, $369, use the link below this video. Once again, I'm going to be giving away a lot of prizes in the run-up to Christmas. I would suggest that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and that you click on the bell to get notifications. I'm going to be giving away a lot of prizes in the upcoming months. Some of those prizes will be for the first few people that, for instance, put a comment below a video or who complete something. So if you haven't enabled notifications, you may miss out on the prizes.